How do I open SPARKlabs on a Chromebook? I'm going to show you two different ways to do that. First of all, I have a USB drive plugged into my Chromebook that already has some SPARKlabs saved to it. If I'm using a USB drive, I go into the System Settings menu in the upper right corner of SPARKvue. Then I'm going to go to Manage Files. And to keep things organized, I'm going to add a new folder first on the right side. I'm going to call that folder SPARKlabs and say OK. And now I'm going to open that folder and add files to it by using the Add File icon. When I click that, I'm able to get into my USB drive, and I can tell which drive that is because there's the eject sign next to the USB drive. I'm going to select whichever SPARKlabs I like to add to that folder and then say Open. That SPARKlab is now in the folder called SPARKlabs that you just created, and you can say Done or add more files. And now I have a new folder called SPARKlabs in my menu to the left, and I can open that new SPARKlab from there. Another way I can get SPARKlabs open on SPARKvue is to go to Online Storage Services to access any saved SPARKlabs that are in my Google Drive or other online drive. So right now I'm in my Google Drive, and I can just open any SPARKlab that's already saved in my Google Drive. And then I would hit Upload to open that SPARKlab. Here's how to get SPARKlabs onto your USB drive from our website. If you go to PASCO.com and you go to Products and SPARKlabs under Lab Manuals and Experiments, click on SPARKlabs. There's this entire library of SPARKlabs that you can choose from. I'm going to choose Enzyme Action, click on it to download, and you'll notice that a bubble pops up over here saying a download has completed. I'm going to choose Show in Folder. When I show in folder, this menu comes up. Here's my Downloads menu. I can simply take that lab I just downloaded and drag it over to my USB drive, and it turns blue, letting me know that I can drop my file into that drive. And if I look into my USB drive, I can see that the file is there, and then I would add that file into SPARKvue, once again using the System Setting menu to access the USB drive.